Yo, so imagine this, right? You're waiting for a man to finally face justice, and boom, he's off the census right before the damn trial. That's exactly what happened with Kevin O. Smith, a so-called prophet, culture leader, and spiritual big mind with some dark secrets. We're talking luxury cars, royal robes, and followers who'd do anything he said. But underneath all that glitter was something twisted. Welcome back to Jamaican Case Files. And if this is your first time here, welcome. It's nice to have you. Go on and get a drink, pull up a seat, and unless you're handling fragile equipment, or in cases that you're driving, you can go ahead and ignore that first bit and buckle up. Because this case is not folklore. It's not a duppy story. It legit happened. So let's rewind to October of 2021. Police get a tip that something strange is going down at a church in Albion, St. James. They show up